Today topic is finding maximum and minimum element. Find maximum and minimum element. Here the problem is to find maximum and minimum items in a set of n elements. Set of n elements. More important, when elements in a of A of 1 comma n are polynomials, vectors, very large numbers, or string of characters. The cost of elements or comparison is much higher than the cost of other operations. Other operations. Here, time is determined mainly by total cost of the element comparisons. This is the algorithm straightforward maximum and minimum algorithm. Straightforward maximum minimum algorithm straight max and minimum uh, a n max and min max m. Here max equal to max equal to min equal to a of 1 for I equal to 1 I equal to for I equal to 2 to n. Next check the condition. If a of I greater than max, then a of I is assigned to max. Next, this condition is false. Check this condition. If a of I less than min, then a of I is assigned to min. A of I is assigned to min. This is the simple, straightforward maximum and minimum algorithm. Minimum element, minimum algorithm. Here, here, straight max and minimum requires 2 into n minus 1 element comparisons in the best, average, and worst cases. An immediate improvement is possible by realizing that comparison a of I less than min is necessary only when a of I greater than max. Is false. Hence, we can replace the content of for loop by if a of I greater than max, then a of I is assigned to max. Else if a of I less than min, then a of I is assigned to min. Now, the best case occurs when elements are in increasing order. The number of elements comparison is n minus 1. The worst case occurs when the elements are in decreasing order. The number of elements comparison is 2 into n minus 1. The average number of elements comparison is less than 2 into n minus 1. On the average, a of I is greater than max of the time, and so the average number of comparison is 3n by 2 minus 1. Divide and conquer algorithm for this problem would be proceed this one. Let p equal to p equal to of n a of I and so on a of j denotes the arbitrary instance of the problem where n is the number of elements in the list a of I and so on a of j, the list a of I and a of j, and we are interested in finding the maximum and minimum of the list. If list has more than two elements, P has to be divided into smaller instances. For example, we might divide P into two instances. P1 equal to n by 2, A of 1 and so on, A of n by 2, and P2 equal to n minus 1, n by 2, comma, A of n by 2 plus 1 and so on, A of n. After having divide P into two smaller subproblems, we can solve them by recursively invoking the same divide and conquer algorithm. This is the algorithm recursively finding maximum and minimum. Next to see the what is the flow of the algorithm. Flow of the algorithm. First one is algorithm max min of ij max min. Next one check the condition. If I equal to j, then max equal to min equal to a of I. A of I. Condition is condition is condition is true. Go to the else if I equal to j minus 1, condition is true. Go to the if a of I less than a of j, a of I less than a of j. Check this. A of j is assigned to max, a of I is assigned to minimum. Condition is false. Go to the else if max max equal to a of I assigned to max, a of j is assigned to min. Next one is suppose if a equal to j, a equal to j is condition is false. Go to the else part. Else part here is perform mid operation. Mid equal to uh, mid equal to I plus j by 2. I plus j by 2. Our problem divided into two sub problems. Max min I mid max min. That max min equal to mid plus 1 j max 1 and minimum 1. This is the problem divided into two sub problems. Two problems sub problems. Next one is combine the solutions. This is we have combined the solution. If max less than max 1 condition is true, then max 1 is assigned to max. If min less than min greater than min 1, then min 1 is assigned to min. This is the flow of the algorithm. This is the flow of the algorithm. Next we see the example of the problem. Madhuri?
Sir.
This is the example. This is the elements on the array, right?
Yes, sir.
Initially, I value equal to 1. The first element is I, last element is j. I value equal to 1, j value equal to 8. Next, perform mid operation. Mid equal to I plus j by 2 equal to 1 plus 8 by 2, 9 by 2, 4.5 equal to 4. Equal to 4. Our problem is divided into two parts. First is the left side is 1 to 4. Right side is 5 to 8. 5 to 8. Now again to dividing left side. Problem divided into two parts. 1 to 2, 4 to 3 to 4. Again to divide right side. Divide into problem two parts. Yeah. 5 to 6, 7 to 8. 7 to 8. Next one is next to find the maximum value, minimum value in this set. Maximum value in the minimum value in this set in right side. Okay, now first one is max equal to 7. Madhuri,
Sir.
what is the first set in left side? Max equal to 7.
3 equal to 5, sir.
Minimum equal to 5. Next, same thing. Max 1 equal to 4. Minimum
1
equal to
3.
minimum 1 equal to 3. Minimum 1 equal to 3. Next you go to the right. Next you go to the right side.
Yes, sir.
Max equal to 12.
12.
Minimum equal to 9. Max 1 equal to 6. Minimum 1 equal to 2. Next, come to left side. Comparison of max 1 and comparison of max and minimum 1.
Yes, sir.
Comparison of max value and max 1 value. Which one is the maximum value?
7, sir.
Maximum equal to 7. Next, comparison of
Minimum value.
minimum and minimum 1. Here minimum value is 3. Minimum value equal to 3. Next, you go to the right side. First to compare maximum value, maximum 1 value.
Max 1 value is 12, sir.
Maximum 1 value equal to 12. Next, comparison of min and minimum 1.
2, sir.
Minimum 1 equal to 2. Again to compare the left side values and right side values. Comparison of max 1, comparison of max 1.
12, sir.
Max equal to 12. Next, minimum equal to comparison of min and minimum 1 equal to 2. This is way of finding this maximum value equal to 12, minimum value equal to 2. This is way of finding this. This is way of finding this maximum value and minimum values. Right?
Yeah.
This is the simple problem, right?
Yes, sir.
Next, we go to the time complexity. This is the time complexity T of n equal to T of n by 2 plus T of n by 2 plus 2. N greater than 2. N greater than 2. Suppose T of n equal to 1. N equal to 2. N equal to 2. T of n equal to 0. N equal to 1. N equal to 1. When n is a power of 2, n equal to 2 power k for some positive integers k. Next one is t of n equal to 2 t of n by 2 plus 2 plus 2. Next one is divide the problem into two sub problems. 2 into 2 tn by 4 plus 2 plus 2. Next 4 tn by 4 plus 4 plus 2 and so on. 2 power k minus 1 t of 2 plus sigma of 1 less than equal to I less than equal to k minus 1 2 power I 2 power I. Right, this is way 2 power k minus 1 plus 2 power k minus 2. Next write down this one to equal to 2 power k by 2 plus 2 power k minus 2. Next 2 power the n equal to 2 power k. Next n value 2 power k equal to n by 2 plus n minus 2. Next one is n plus 2n by 2 minus 2. 3n by 2 minus 2. This is 3n by 2 minus 2 is the best average worst case number of comparisons when n is a power of 2. N is a power of 2. This is way of solving this time complexity of algorithm. Time complexity of finding maximum and minimum values. Satvika. Madhuri.
Sir.
This is the time complexity.
Okay, sir.
ఇక్కడ టైం కాంప్లెక్సిటీలో ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకొని డైరెక్ట్ రాసేసుకోండి.
ఓకే సార్.
అది డైరెక్ట్ గా రాయాలి అది.
ఓకే సార్.
అది టైం కాంప్లెక్సిటీ. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ సింపుల్ అల్గోరిథం, స్ట్రైట్ ఫార్వర్డ్ అల్గోరిథం, సింపుల్ అల్గోరిథం. వాట్ ఇస్ డైరెక్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ది maximum minimum value. Next we go to the recursively finding maximum minimum algorithm. Next one is example. Next one is time complexity.